National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hays County, Blanco County, east central Gillespie County, southeastern Llano County, southwestern Burnett County until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Horseshoe Bay, or near Round Mountain, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Marble Falls, Round Mountain, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Johnson City, Meadow Lakes, Stonewall, Spicewood, Blowout, Sandy, LBJ State Park, Rocky Creek, High, Cypress Mill, Henley, Pedernales Falls State Park, Cottonwood Shores, Sunrise Beach Village, and LBJ National Historical Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.